Airdrop alert. What is going on, guys? My name is Sir Lewis and I'm bringing you guys here this airdrop alert that is coming very soon. I'm going to show you guys here all the details for the Orai chain airdrop, and I don't think any YouTuber has made a video on this yet on how to be able to get this airdrop. So let's get started. Before I talk about this airdrop, if you guys want to be up to date with the latest airdrops either in the Cosmos ecosystem or any other blockchain out there, join my free Discord called Invest to Rest Club in the pinned comment and description below. And there I have a section where it says airdrop alerts, and anytime there's an airdrop that's coming, I post it there so you guys can be up to date. Now again, this is 100% free Discord that you guys can join in the description. Question is, how do I participate in this airdrop? I'm going to show you guys here all the steps. It's kind of confusing, but I'm going to clarify here for you guys. So as you guys can see right here, I'm on their Twitter. Okay, this is their official Twitter. Again, I'm gonna leave all the official links in the description below so you guys don't have to waste time. So if you scroll down right here, this is their official Twitter. It says right here, Orai X fair drop announcement #1 for Orai community. Have native, this is the key right here, have native Orai being delegated on the Orai chain mainnet. Okay, I'm going to show you guys here exactly how to do that. I'm actually going to do that here because I just bought some. And it says right here, snapshot date March 25th, 2022. If you're watching this today, it is March 22nd. So you still have 3 days, and it says anytime. So maybe you are watching this on the last day, you might still have a chance because it says anytime on March 25th, 2022. And one key thing to know, guys, here, details for Atom, Osmo, Luna, Airy, KWT will be announced later. So if you are staking these, I guess you're going to be able to also be part of this airdrop. But for the snapshot date on March 25th, it's only for the people staking Orai on the Orai mainnet, which I'm going to show you guys here exactly how to do. So when you click the link, you go to their blog and it tells you here, you know, some details here that are super important. And I'm going to clarify here for you guys. So for example, it says right here, if you have the Orai coin on Ethereum network or on the Binance Smart Chain, you can convert those tokens to native Orai by using KuCoin and start delegating before the snapshot date or as soon as possible to not miss the snapshot date. So basically, you guys can't have this on Ether or Binance. You guys need to have this on the Orai mainnet. So what you guys need to do is you guys got to go on their Twitter, click on their site, which I'm going to leave the link for their site. It's called Orai.io. Okay, you're going to click right here on Get Started. It's going to take you right here. And then if you scroll down, it says right here, Orai Chain Wallet. You guys see that right there? Boom, click on that. There's an iOS version, there's an Android version, but I use the web version right here. Click on whichever one you want to make. And right here, this is not going to show for you guys because I already made my, but basically you guys are going to create a wallet. It's going to give you guys the 24-word C phrase. You guys want to write it down, okay? It's going to ask you to put a pin. It's going to ask you to name the wallet. And that's how you're going to create your Orai Chain wallet, okay? It's very simple. Right over here, click on Orai Chain and then create your wallet, 24-word C phrase, just like you would with any wallet, okay? Remember that pin and remember those seed phrases that you write down, okay? Don't keep it in your phone or anything like that. Great. So after you create your wallet, you're automatically going to be able to go to this site right here. If you don't know what it is, this is the site where you're going to be able to basically delegate your Orai and stake it. Okay, it's called scan.orai.io. Again, I'm gonna leave this link in the description below. And right here at the top right icon where it shows the guy icon right there, that's how you're gonna connect your wallet. So if you already made your wallet, you're just gonna go right there, click it, put in your PIN, and that's how it's gonna be connected. And then you're gonna have an Orai wallet address. Now this is the address that you're going to send your Orai to. So the next step is, as you guys saw, it says that you can use KuCoin to send to Orai network. Now if you guys don't have KuCoin yet, I have a referral link that you guys can use in the description below. I'll also leave that in the pinned comment. Make your account on KuCoin. Is super easy. All you need is just an email, a password, and I think a phone number. You don't have to verify anything. So make your account on KuCoin. If you already have it, awesome. Then you want to send some coins over to KuCoin. Then you want to swap those coins for USDT, and then with the USDT, you buy the Orai coin. Then after you click withdraw, you're going to withdraw those coins from KuCoin to your Orai wallet. And when you click withdraw, make sure that you copy and paste the wallet, and it's automatically going to show that it's going to be on the Orai network, which is the native network that you guys want to send it to. Then you basically send it from KuCoin. I think this is a very low withdrawal fee. So then after you send that to KuCoin from Orai, then you're going to have it right here, and then you're able to delegate it and stake it and be eligible for the airdrop, okay, which is going to be March 25th. So I'm going to do this here in live time with you guys on how to delegate it. Basically, you want to go right here where it says validators, click on validators, and this is where we're going to find ours to delegate. You guys can see right here. Now what I recommend is if you guys click on uptime, click right here make sure it has 100% uptime, okay? And make sure that you're not getting one that's in the top 15, okay? So if it's in the top 15, don't get it. You guys can actually click on it and go to their website and see what they're all about. And similar to staking on the Cosmos ecosystem, pick one that is not a centralized platform and is not in the top 15 and has at least 1 to 5% commission. So great, after you found one that you like, all you guys gotta do is go right here and press delegate. So then right here you just put the amount that you want to delegate for. I would recommend leaving a little bit just in case there's any gas fees. So then you press delegate and then you press allow. Then here you're going to type in your PIN for your wallet. So after, it should have the transaction details and it should show that you just delegated and you're staking it for around 29%. And you should be ready for this airdrop. That's going to be March 25th, the snapshot. So you're set. And again, remember, like they said, they're going to have upcoming details on Juno stakers, Atom stakers. So please join my free Discord, Investor Rest Club. I'm going to keep you guys here all up to date in my free Discord in the airdrop section. You guys can check it out all the time. And yeah, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know if you guys got any questions. It's just that simple to do. I know it's kind of confusing with KuCoin and all that, but if you guys just follow the steps, you guys should be ready and be able to participate in this awesome airdrop. So thank you guys again. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.